this was the first time I have touched 150 on anything. मतलब मैं I think कार में भी इतना तेज नहीं गया हूँ. The maximum I have tried going in my car is around 130-35 I guess. Wow, that was a out of the world experience. Oof. And a bit scary as well. I won't lie. Good job, my dear friend, good job. So when you see empty roads that you haven't seen over the last 2 weeks, you end up doing such stupid stuff. I would not recommend this at all, but it was just that I wanted to really test the limit of this bike. I am pretty sure 150 is also not the limit. It can even go beyond that. It didn't even redline. I mean, it was, I think, I couldn't see the RPM wala counter here. Oof, but yeah. Oh man. Oh, hands are shivering or what? Not exactly, I think that's okay. But I mean, to be really honest, 100 and 120 is my cruising speed. I don't think, maybe once or twice I'll just, you know, just for the sake of it, maybe I'll go to 130, 40, 50 maybe. But this is the cruising speed. This is what I like. Oh, पूरा sunrise तो पीछे हो रहा है यार. हम जा रहे हैं आगे. So just to capture the sunrise on the camera, I thought let me take a U-turn, drive for another 5-10 minutes just to capture the scene. What a beautiful scene, yaar. Wow. Alright, so we've almost reached Tumkur. I think it's around 20 kilometers more from here. And we are supposed to take a right. Okay, I think I took a wrong turn. This is not a correct way. Okay. So right from this place, and let's see what we have in store for us now. Okay. Yeah, so the ride so far has been wonderful. Pura straight highway tha, so I finally got a chance to, you know, really open up the engine and have a blast. But anyway, we are hungry now. सोच रहा हूँ कि कुछ ब्रेकफास्ट अभी कर लूँ या maybe not now. देखते हैं. बट भूख सी लग रही है थोड़ी. 2 घंटा बाइक चलाने के बाद थोड़ी भूख तो लगेगी एनीवे, है ना. पता नहीं यार, व्हेन विल आई गेट अ चांस टू एक्चुअली. ओ हो बाप रे. ओके. So that was a bit scary. Biker gangs, I don't know if my bike can actually compete with them, but I don't think so. I don't even want to compete, but I think they're all riding very fast super bikes. I think I'm supposed to take a right turn from here. Alright, so almost there. I think यहाँ से एक right turn लेना है. So let's do that. Oh wow यार, क्या लग रहा है. Is that where we are going? Entry to. So it's not just Midala Lake. There are some hills also nearby. उस hill का नाम क्या है? Mandagiri Hills. So we have Mandagiri Hills, I think, on the left hand side, if I'm not wrong. It's just 2.5 kilometers from here, so I'm not sure if we are going that way. but maybe. Let's see what's the... Okay, I gotta be slow because the road here can be slippery. I think it has rained here as well. Okay, this is a proper off-roading experience now. Maybe let me change the mode. Yep. So my enduro mode now on. I don't know. I mean, I don't want to sound कि मुझे कुछ पता नहीं है अपने बाइक के बारे में, but I'm not very sure what's the difference between enduro mode and the road mode, because my understanding is if you're doing an off-road, you definitely, I mean, the first and the foremost thing is the tires, right? You need the off-roading tires. Without off-roading tires, I don't know what this mode actually does. I think maybe it gives you a bit more control on the throttle, and it gives you a little bit more pull, bit more torque. Yeah, but that is where I want to go, on the left hand side. Are we not going there? Oh, I think I've taken a wrong route here. Not sure if this is the correct way, because that's the mandir. So we're not supposed to go to the mandir. Are we going to the mandir? Let's see. I think I've taken a wrong route. We'll get to know very soon. Because that's what I... ये तो कोई मंदिर वंदिर दिखा रहा है यार. I think we've come to a wrong place. I don't think this is the correct place. ये तो... So that's the temple that I was talking about. It's a Jain temple there. And this is where the lake is. Beautiful roads. अब लग रहा है जैसे हम लोग कोई लेक पे आए हैं. Oh, nice. सो हम आ चुके हैं अब पूरा ऊपर. ये टेंपल है इधर साइड में. निकलते हैं यहाँ से. मज़ा आ गया. काफ़ी अच्छा रोड था. ओके. काफ़ी लोग आ रहे हैं घूमने फिरने अपना, है ना. सो लेट मी जस्ट टेक अ यू टर्न लेके निकलते हैं. और हम ये पूरा मिस करके ही जाने वाले थे। यहाँ ऊपर तक गाड़ी आ जाती है, बिकॉज कार लाना थोड़ा डिफ़िकल्ट तो होगा यार, बिकॉज देयर आर सम रियली स्टीप टर्न्स, तो वो चढ़ाने में इट विल नॉट बी दैट ईजी। बट गाड़ियाँ दिख रही हैं मुझे ऊपर, तो मे बी कार्स लेके आ सकते हैं शायद। So now these turns are difficult to take when you are in a car. Oh, गाड़ियाँ बढ़ चुकी हैं। I see lot of more bikers have come in now. काफ़ी ज़्यादा बाइकर्स दिख रहे हैं। Alright, चलते हैं। Job is done. Had a lot of fun. मज़ा आ गया। Let's go back home. We're gonna stop in between for some breakfast. I'll show you guys that, and then maybe we'll pause the video for today because अब और ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं. It's gonna be the same way back to home.